Hello, this is me, Ali Raza, and I'm here again with an amazing and interesting question. And that question is, hi, I was getting great results on maximum clicks with bid limit on $35 per day, and after 25 conversions, I switched to maximize conversions. With target CPA set at my average cost per conversion, and I got nothing for the past 3 days. Even though I doubled the budget at $70. What did I do wrong? How can I fix it? So the thing is that the campaign was running first on maximize clicks, and then the guy shifted after 25 conversions to maximize conversions, because I suggest you to run maximize clicks at the start to get the data. Once you get the conversion data, Google will have an idea of what kind of a people are converting for you, then eventually shift to maximize conversions, and that can bring you optimized results. I do not recommend you to start maximize conversions at start, and the similar strategy is followed by the person who questioned this, and I got nothing for the past 3 days. Even though I doubled the budget, I was running at $35 a day. After 25 conversions, I moved. So what did I do wrong and how can I fix? So first of all, I do not have a data on how after how much days you got 25 conversions. Was it on a you were getting 25 conversions on a daily basis or not? That is the question you need to add before answering me. So I suggest you to have it a complete question. But even if we take a data and we assume that we got 25 conversions in a week and we spent $35 a day, and now when we switch to the campaign of maximize conversions and even we double the budget, so the conversions went zero. Okay, my question is, why did you double the budget and why you didn't double the budget at maximize clicks? Okay, even leave this. I recommend you guys to run it for 2 to 3 weeks for maximize clicks, then move on to maximize conversions. In case if it's just a sign up forms and you're getting 25 conversions a day, and if in case if you did it after a 1 day or 2 day, it's going to be very worse for your business, which is why I do not recommend you to do it at the next day. So give some time, grab some data before moving from maximize conversions. Maximize clicks to maximize conversions. So this will be my first and initial strategy to you. The third thing is, did you change something over on the website? But another aspect is over here is we need to understand is that we eventually exploded the budget by doubling it. We were running at $35 a day and $70 a day. Now because campaigns are new and we do not have much data except those 25 conversions, so which is why Google is not trying to understand your audience. So there is another strategy where you can run for maximize conversions for few more days before deciding it. Okay, I also feel that there are days of the month which also plays a huge impact. For a client I was running, and we get to know that 1 to 10 days are very converting days and the last 10 days are very difficult to convert. Maybe it's because people have spent the money and they are out of the budget to spend on other things, which is why the last 10 days are not good in that niche. So it also matters on the what kind of audience you are trying to target, which is why I believe that a time needs to be given before deciding either it's working well for your business or not. I also recommend you to evaluate the competition, maybe look around on your landing page, maybe do something, maybe have something, focus a thing, or there can be a certain event in your target industry and people have a shift of focus towards something. Like in case if there is elections in the niche you are targeting, and then this certain thing can reduce your conversions. In case if there is a certain thing, it can also be an issue. So you need to figure out those issues as well. So which I would initially recommend you to. There's an option of a conversion. You can change your go to change history and you can undo the changes which you have done. And I suggest you to run for maximize clicks for a few more days. I would suggest you to go to 2 to 3 weeks, get some data before moving again to maximize conversion. And then in case if there are still any issues left, you are more than welcome to hire me in meeting for a personal look on your account, and we can do the audit and tell you that what is actually causing the issue, or what has suddenly mistakenly you have done it, which is why you are seeing no conversions. So I hope this answers your question. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel to watch videos like. Thank you and bye bye.